to get back to, and I've only got a couple minutes here, but just to get back to what I was saying before, um, if you just joined during the segment, um, the worst thing anyone can do to you, if you're older, any age really, but especially when you're older, the worst thing anyone can do to you is to do something for you. Now, I don't mean normal charity, what have you. But you got to be careful about charity. You must be pity. Pity is one of those things that really makes people feel good, right? Especially when they don't count what is the cost of your pity on other folks, right? So with older folks, okay, as folks get older, they need long-term care, they you become more fragile, stuff like this. I've noticed it myself. Um, what you cannot do is accommodate that beyond what you have to accommodate that. I don't know if that makes sense. But the idea is, um, you know, if you stop doing something that you can do, if other people, quote unquote, help you, and this is true of all kinds of help. Whenever whenever somebody gives you assistance, they're robbing you of your own agency. They're robbing you of the ability to do something. Okay? It's more blessed to give than to receive. That's what you're told. Well, maybe because if you're receiving, okay, and you could do it yourself, chances are you're not going to do it yourself anymore. If someone has to help you out of the chair, if you get one of those, ejecto chairs, right, whatever, pretty soon, what you find with people who've got those things, next thing you know, they can't get out of the chair, right? Use a walker, use a cane. Okay, fine. Don't sit your ass in a wheelchair unless you have to. When you have to, you have to. I mean, we're not being ridiculous about this. But what I'm saying is, do it reluctantly. Do it at the last. That's got to be the last thing you do. Make it hard on yourself, because if you don't, you're going to be dependent, and that is not a good thing. Not a good place. Not a good place to be. That whole dependency thing. That's what I think. I mean, given that and you can misconstrue what I'm saying. I mean, we're all obviously interdependent. No man's an island unto himself. We're all, connected, all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. I get that. Right? But within your sphere, be as independent as you can. That's what I'm saying.